Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Moya for the ones that are new here, and if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. So today's video is sponsored by Luxear, and we are going to be reviewing these container sets. It's a 5-piece set. It's a fresh keeper refrigerator storage container, BPA free. And let me just read some details that are on here on the box. That way we can get a little bit of information of what we have going on here. So we have a small, medium, large, an extra large, and a jumbo. Nice. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe, but not the lids. It says right here, except lids, and then it tells you the temperature range right there. It has a portable handle, easy to carry. An airtight lid for leak-proof and spill-proof. Elevated colander, water flows into the bottom. Produce stays elevated to prevent spoilage. A big thumbs up on that. And the container for wash and store. And it shows you right here a little example of how this is like the colander, and this is the actual container lid, and it shows how the water would drop from there to here. And it's an airtight lid. Nice, nice, nice. Now let's get to unboxing it because that's what we're here for. Okay, so open up the box and it comes with bubble wrap, which we all love because we want our stuff to come safe. Let's open it up, lid. So these are plastic containers, okay? Nice and clear plastic containers. I like how they close, so it has on both sides 4 flaps. Okay, so let's take them out. Let's take them out. And then easy, if if you're gonna store them and you don't have anything to put in here in the refrigerator, I like how they all fit nice and neat in here. So we have our small one, and you can always use it just with the container and not the little colander. Here is, these are so cute. Oh my god, the cutest. Alyssa can't see this because she's gonna want to take it for whatever. She'll find whatever in her room to store in here. The cutest, the cutest. Then you have your medium. They're all exactly the same, but I'm gonna show you. Sorry. Should be doing this right here. Let's do it right here. That was easier. How cute is this? And then we have our large. Exact same thing. I like that they're clear, and I like the basket that it's white. It will go pretty much anything. Close, handle, so cute, and it just goes back down. And your small, medium, large, extra large. So neat. Okay. Handle. I want to go on a picnic now. And then you have your extra large. You guys, you could literally use this for a colander, like just by itself. And here it is. Remember, the lids are not microwave safe, just the containers. And here you go. Your extra large. No, your jumbo. This is jumbo, extra large, large, medium, and small. So cute. Alrighty. Okay, so as you can see, I have them all here. We are gonna get them washed up, and I am gonna see what I can fit in the little ones because I don't think I have big fruit right now to store away. Let me get them washed, and then I will see you in a bit. Alrighty, so I already washed and rinsed my blackberries, and we are going to cover them up. And then we have our strawberries. Let me fix that. And we're going to cover them up. I have carrots that I washed, and that way it's easier for the kids to just grab them, put them in here. There's that. I used the jumbo for some veggies. These are mini cucumbers, and these are the zucchini and some tomatoes. So we're gonna close it up. Okay, I got that one closed. I was struggling with one hand, so there you go. There you have it. I didn't use the extra large. I'll see if I use it right now, but either way, I am loving my new containers. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the review. I hope you enjoyed my review. I hope you like the containers, and if you are interested in purchasing the containers, everything will be linked down below in the description, along with a coupon code so that you will save some money if you want to order them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!